there have been reports they're actually linking drinking soda and early dementia. So please tell us about that and your take on it.
Well, it's a kind of an interesting article. It was published last year in the Journal of Stroke, and they looked at two different types of beverages: sugar-sweetened beverages like Coke, and then artificially sweetened beverages like Diet Coke.
Okay.
And the incidence of stroke and dementia. And they found that the people who drank the artificially sweetened beverages like saccharin and so forth had a higher risk incidence of stroke and dementia. But you need to take this with a grain of salt, because when you look after the fact, you found that who was drinking the artificially sweetened beverages, but it was the diabetics and the hypertensives, the people who had medical disease. To sort of negate or mitigate their disease, they would drink more of the artificially sweetened beverages. So like with any study, you need to really look at all the factors involved. So definitely more research needs to be done to determine if this is in fact true or not. Having said that, soda is generally bad for you. So if you drink artificially sweetened or regular soda, it's probably not a good thing.
Let's also talk about diet. I imagine there might not be a superfood, so to speak, but are there any foods that are known to improve either just cognitive function or help us be more alert? Or again, is it more about really the well-balanced whole food nutrition?
It's more, as I alluded to earlier, the Mediterranean diet has been the most studied, and that's a very healthy diet. So I think that's important. There's been some data on red wine and even alcohol in general, limited to moderate amounts, can improve brain health. So, you know, that's a sort of a touchy subject to recommend alcohol. I don't recommend alcohol to anybody, but you know, that may be reasonable.